Oh no, boys and girls, what's in this box? Oh baby, let's get this open and see what's inside here. Oh baby, what's this, y'all? What's in here? Let's keep looking. You going to get it open, boys? Hold on, let me rip the rest of the tape for you. Let's see what's in here.
The other one.
All right, boys and girls, what is this right here? This would be the new Basherqueen.
Wow, that thing is beautiful.
Oh baby.
That thing is beautiful.
That thing is beautiful, ain't it? But let's get this on open.
And let's pick the other
Oh
one.
baby.
It's kind of, it's that thing.
All right, you guys. So if you don't know what this is, FSR or whatever it is, the new Basherqueen.
Ow, ow.
FSR and Basherqueen, as I was trying to say, guys. There's the gray model. Look at this thing. I believe it's. I need to look and make sure, but obviously it says FSR on the box. But look at this, guys. There's the weight, length, all that good stuff, wheelbase. And we're gonna open this thing up here in just a second and show y'all what's inside of it. Here's the features. We got low gravity, high strength chassis design, CNC 6061, T6 front and rear shock tower, all waterproof. This is supposed to be the full carbon fiber version, so I'm hoping it is once I open it up. So let me see. Oh, there she is, guys, in all her glory. Oh my God, this thing is beast mode, guys. Oh wow, this thing's big, way bigger than I thought. Holy crap, first of all, let's just do this. Let's get this right out the way. Oh wow, look at this thing, y'all. This thing is sweet. Got molded fairings built into it. It's got mirrors. Let's open this up because this is supposed to be the full carbon fiber version of this thing, and I'm really hoping it is because it said CNC shock towers, and I'm really hoping not because, yeah, not supposed to be. What the world is it? Velcro 2? It is Velcro 2. Awesome. All right, let me get it right off here. Sorry about the camera work, guys. Oh, there we go. We got her off. All right, so this is not the full carbon fiber version, and it's supposed to be. So I'm going to have to hit Kimberly back up because she said she was sending me full carbon fiber version. But all in all, boys, look at this thing. We're talking like an Arma Limitless. Kimberly, this thing's beautiful. It is beautiful, Kimberly. Take a look at this thing, guys. Wow, boy. Built-in fan on the side of the motor. Looks like some rebranded Hobbywing electronics. Oh, wow, this thing's nice. It's got a brake in the back. I'm assuming is what this is for, I think. Oh, wow, yeah. Guys, this thing is nice looking. This thing is nice looking. Big old nice tires on there. Yeah, guys, so there it is. There's our next addition to some speed running or some drifting, bashing, whatever we decide to do with it. But, oh, this thing's sweet. 2000 kV, 4274 motor in there, FSR. Y'all see that? Yeah, this thing's nice, y'all. I'm gonna get this rest way open here and we'll check it out some more. All right, guys, so inside here's the controller it comes with. Check that out. Pretty nice. Let's see how it feels in the hand here. I got little baby hands, guys, so for me having little baby hands, I can tell you right now, you guys with the big old monster hands are gonna be able to do this one-handed just fine. I got literally little baby hands and I can do it, kinda. So yeah, you guys big old hands are gonna be fine. This thing also comes with your package here. It looks like you got some different side or tension springs in there. You got some blue ones, some regular ones. Come with some connectors over here. Just fell out the bag or out the box by itself. But it's got some connectors in it as well. Looks like the other one might be in there, I hope. Or maybe it fell out somewhere. Hopefully I can find it. But yeah. Oh well, hopefully they're in the other connectors in there. Or it only came with one maybe. Everything's falling out this box now, so what we got here? I don't know what this is exactly yet. We got different springs. I don't know what this is. That's another pinion gear. Comes with. And that's more springs, obviously. And your one connector right there. So that's what comes in the box, guys. This body is absolutely beautiful. Oh, it's got headed bucket lights. Look at them nice buckets in there, guys. This thing feels substantial, like seriously thick. This thing feels nice. Like it is thick, guys. Already Velcroed for you on the sides. Everything good to go. Lighted up already. This thing is top-notch quality. The only thing I'm seeing that wasn't what it's supposed to be is she said she was sending me the full carbon fiber version, and this has got the all aluminum everywhere. None of her carbon fibers on this. So, yeah. Other than that, I'm gonna hit her up and see if she's gonna send that stuff out. But guys, this thing looks amazing. I mean, this thing looks amazing. I'll leave a link in the description where you boys can go get you one of these things at, and we'll get this out real soon here. Unfortunately, it's raining outside as always, so get it out as soon as we can. Let's go.